Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all students? This is your maths lecture, class 5. So open your maths book, unit number 1, page number 3 and exercise number 1A. Today our topic is numbers and arithmetic operations. Student, before we will going to solve exercise number 1A, first we will discuss about numbers. Numbers up to 1 billion. Look at page number 2. In a place value chart, 9-digit numbers occupy the place value up to 100 million. We will learn with the help of international place value chart. Look at this. There is units, thousands, millions, billions. With the help of this chart, we will learn in 100 million there is 9-digit number. Now we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 100 million blocks, there is a 9-digit number. Okay. Student, we know that the smallest 9-digit number is 100 million. Smallest 9-digit number is 100 million. And the biggest 9-digit number is 999,999,999. This is largest 9 numbers. Student, if we will add 1 in 9 largest number, we will get 10-digit number. We will get 10-digit number, that is, this 10-digit number is called 1 billion. This 10-digit number is called 1 billion. Now we will count unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million and billion. So in billion block there is 10-digit number. हमें पता चला 1 million में total 10-digit number होते हैं. And student, B stands for billion. Understand? Now open your book, page number 3 and exercise number 1A. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. And part A is, in the international system, 1 million is a 7-digit number. Student, with the help of place value chart, we will learn how many digits in 1 million. So, we will count unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million. So, in million block there is 7-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in million block there is 7-digit number. Hope you understand. Part B, and the part B is the place value of ring digit in 5,299,287 is. We will find with the help of place value chart 5 million. Students, with the help of place value chart, we put the value 5,299,287 287. Now 5 occupy the place in million block. So the ring digit is 5 million and the answer will be 5 million, that is okay. Complete the sequence. And part C is 35,030,186 and the next value is 35,30,286 dash 35,30,486. So student, this is a skip counting and we can see there in 100 place there is a difference in 100 place. Look at 186, 286. So we will add 100 in 186, then 6 plus 0 is equal 6, 8 plus 0 is equal 8, 1 plus 1 is equal 2. So the answer is 286. Now we will add 100 in 286. 6 plus 0 is equal 6, 8 plus 0 is equal 8, 2 plus 1 is equal 3. So the answer will be 35,030,386. Understand? Now we will add 100 more in 386 and we will get 3 plus 1 is equal 4. So the answer will be 35,030,486. Understand? And the next step, the 50,000 more than 261,835,500 is. Student, more than means add. More than means add. Now we will add 50,000 in 835 in 500. Now we will add 50,000, 0, 0 and 5. Now we will add 0 plus 0 is equal 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 0 is equal 5. Now we will add 3 plus 5 is equal 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 1, 6, 2. So the answer will be 261,885,500. Understand? The next part E is the place value of 9 in the number 981,314,110. Now student, we can see first unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. So the answer will be 900 million. Understand students? Now next question. Question number 2. State whether the following are true or false. And part A is, as per the International Place Value Chart, the value is written as 6,198,457,086. Student, as we already tell you that in international system we will write first 3 digit, then space, then 3 digit, then space, then 3 digit. So the statement is true. Understand? Part B. And the part B is the number 200 less than 42,698,210 is, student, less than. Less than mean we subtract 200 from the value, and the value is, student, 42,698,210. Student, now we will subtract 200. 0 minus 0 is equal 0. 1 minus 0 is equal 1. 2 minus 2 is equal 0. And 8 as it is 9, 6, 2, 4. So the answer will be 42,698,010. So the answer is false. The statement is false. Understand? The smallest 9-digit number is 10 million. The smallest 9-digit number is 10 million. Is it correct, student? I already discussed one smallest 9-digit number is 100 million. Smallest 9-digit number is 100 million. So the statement is false. Understand? The next part D is the value of ring digit is 78,193,156 is 100,000. Student, we will count ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So the 1 occupy the place of 100,000. So that statement is true. Understand? Part E. And the part E is, in the international system, the value is written as for this. Student, I already tell you that in international system first we will write 3 digit, then 3 digit, then 3 digit. So this statement is false because first 3 digit, then 4 digit. No, that is wrong. First 3 digit, then space, then 3 digit, then space, then 3 digit. So this statement is false. Understand? Student, if you have any problem regarding this question or this lecture, you can ask me in question answer session. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Stay home and stay safe.